Hey, everybody. So I realized that a lot of people might not know how to do QR codes really, really easily. You can get this wonderful thing from the Chrome web store called the QR code extension. And that has been a lifesaver for me in so many ways. So once you have put that into Chrome, let me show you one of the wonderful ways you can use it. So here's my website. Let's say I am putting together a QR code for a choice board or for a sub lesson or something. So let me go to one of my slides. So I'm going to go to the one I use for the screen. And let's say, okay, so this is my slide. I have my slide deck and everything I need attached to this slide. This slide is the thing that people need to get. Okay. So I come up to here. I just clicked in my URL bar there. All right. And then this popped up. See that? Create QR code for this page. Boom. All right. Now, it comes up as the cutest QR code with this little guy in the middle. What I usually do is I usually don't go to the trouble of downloading. What I do is I usually take a screenshot. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take a screenshot of it and see it pops up. And I can then just copy and paste that or print it or do whatever I want with it. I could send it in an email to the sub. I could send it to the administrators for them to print. I could do whatever. I could send it in a text to somebody on the phone. All right. And one other cool thing that it does is, okay, if you notice I have several different of the extensions up here in my bar, which I find are very important. But the one that I want to show you, the QR code extension, you can also just click on it this way and you can edit it or scan it. You could scan things. What if I wanted to edit it? I'm going to click on that. And this way you could, by hand, you could actually write in. Let's say you knew that you wanted everybody to go see something on YouTube or something at J. Crew or something, edit it, put it in here, put in a URL here, put in your contact information, phone, whatever. It's going to change the QR code and then you can download that as well. But anyway, Google Chrome extensions are where it's at to make life easier for everyone.